Hey, it's Friday morning. Good to see you. Remo's happy to see you too. He knows that you've been working hard this week and it's time for a weekend. So let's do our good job today on our schoolwork, and then this weekend we can do something different. He asked you a question yesterday. Remo's question was, of all the judges in the Bible, which one do we know was a woman? And her name was Deborah, and Deborah was an awesome leader, a great gal. And girls, we need you to be awesome leaders too, like Deborah was. Absolutely. Yes. So anyway, Deborah was the answer to yesterday's question. I'm wearing my post office hat today. See that? Okay? That's because I have an idea for you. The weekend's coming up. And sometimes we don't get to see the people that we'd like to get to hang out with right now when we're staying at home. So maybe you could write a letter and send it to somebody that you miss. We all like getting letters like that in the mail, and so you can make somebody super happy by doing that. Just a thought. Okay, so Remo's got a question for you that he will answer on Monday. Now, as you know, we're hanging out with a cat in a hat and Remo, the remote learning cougar, but his question is about another animal. He wants to know if you know what the fastest land animal is on planet Earth. He'll tell you on Monday. Hey, just so you know, Mr. Bloomstein's got a really fun activity. It's kind of tricky, but it's pretty cool. So you want to watch that next, okay? Have a great day.
Good morning, Cascade Christian Elementary students. This is Mr. Bloomstein, your PE teacher. For today's lesson, we're going to show you how to juggle. Now, obviously, this is going to be challenging, but it's a fun activity, and it really works on your hand-eye coordination. You can use any type of ball, preferably a smaller ball that you can catch in your hand. I'm going to be using 3 baseballs today, but we're going to start off by just going with 2. This really works good for your hand-eye coordination. The first thing we're going to do is just take one ball in one hand and one in the other. Just toss it in the air and catch it with one hand. Okay, just nice and simple, one hand, one hand, one hand, okay? Once you start getting comfortable with doing that, now we're going to toss the ball in the air, and as you can see, we're doing that. I'm rotating the other ball between hands as the one ball is in the air. So once again, we're going from this, and now we're going to this, okay? Now, you don't have to toss the ball really high in the air. I guess it's up to you how much height you want on the ball, but we don't need it that high in the air. Now I'm going to bring in the third ball here. So when we start, we're going to have 2 baseballs in one hand and 1 baseball in the other hand. Okay, so kind of the pattern is we'll throw this ball up in the air first, and then this ball will go second, and then this ball here will go third. So hopefully I have a little success, a little rusty here juggling, but let's go ahead and give it a try. Oop. Go again. As you can see, I'm a little rusty. There we go. All right. So as you can see the pattern, if you can put your video maybe in slow mode, and you can see the pattern of how the baseballs are being tossed. Okay. All right. Like I said, just have fun with this. There's no expectation. We're not looking you to be a professional juggler. Just have a little fun. But the main focus is that you're focusing on that hand-eye coordination. Take care. I miss you guys a lot. Hope to see you soon.